Good afternoon. So class 1, in our last live class we have learned about the days of the week and the months of the year. Okay. So as we have learned that there are 12 months in a year. Okay. So you have to take out page number 3737. Exercise B. As we have done exercise A in the last part, this is exercise B of the same page, page number 37, and here the fill the missing letters type of question is given, in which you have to fill the missing letters to complete the spelling of the months. Here the question is fill in the blanks with the correct letters to get the months of the year. Okay? So the first one is January. The first month of the year is January. The second month is February. The third month is March. So likewise you have to fill the missing letters to complete the spellings of these months. So here we go. The spelling of January is Jan, Jan. I am writing here first. First we will learn the spelling, then we will write Jan, January, Janu, Ari, January. It's not January, it's January. January, January, January. Jan, Uary, January, January, January. And as the letters are in capital here, so we have to fill the blanks with the capital letter only. So the spelling of January is January, January. January, January. Now after January, February comes. February. See the spelling? February, 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 February. Now next is the third month of the year is March. March. Mar and CH say ch. March. 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 M-A-Y, May. M-A-Y, May. The next month, that is the 6th month of the year, is June. J-U-N-E, June. J-U-N-E, June. J-U-N-E, June. J-U-N-E, June. J-U-N-E, June. J-U-N-E, June. After that, the 7th month of the year is July. J-U-L-Y, July. J-U-L-Y, July. J-U-L-Y, July. J-U-L-Y, July. J-U-L-Y, July. The 8th month of the year is August. 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 A-U-G-U-S-T. 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 August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. A-U-G-U-S-T. Gust. August. A-U-G-U-S-T. Gust. August. Next is the next month of the year, that is the 9th month of the year, is September. 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 S-E-P, Sep. T-E-M, Tem. B-E-R, Ber. September. September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. The 10th month of the year is October. October. And class 1, remember that the days of the week and the months of the year are special names. So their first letter will always be capital. October. 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 O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. You will never say it October. In Hindi it is called October, but in English it is October. Now next is November. 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 N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. No. V-E-M, when. B-E-R, the. November. And the last month of the year December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Now, so these are the months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we have completed this exercise. Now in the next exercise, what we need to do? Let us see. In the next exercise, the question is, write the names of the months when these events or holidays occur. In the same page, on page number 37, this question is, and this question is carry forwarded to the next page also. Okay, so what we need to do? The events are given, like at number 1 New Year is given, and number 2 Teachers Day is given. So what we need to do? We need to write the month in which they occur. Occur का मतलब होता है आना या होना. ये सारे जितने भी नाम है वो कौन से मंथ में आते हैं, that we have to write. Okay, so New Year comes in January, so we need to write here January. New Year comes in January. J-A-N, Jan, U-A-R-Y, January. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January. New Year comes in, occurs in January. Now next is, when does Teacher Day come? The Teacher's Day, we the Indians celebrate Teacher's Day in the month of September. September. New Year, January. Teacher's Day, September. Next, my birthday. You have to write the month in which your birthday falls. आपका बर्थडे जब आता है उस मंथ का नेम आपको लिखना है. Like my birthday comes in January, so I am writing here January. January. आप अपने बर्थ का मंथ लिखेंगे. Next is Children's Day. In India, Children's Day is celebrated in the month of November. November. Class 1, you need to practice the month orally. पहले orally उसे बोलने की कोशिश करेंगे, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे बार बार, then it will become perfect. Okay, and then जब आप pronunciation आपका सही हो जाएगा, when it will be correct, then you have to learn the spellings also. पहले orally learn करेंगे. Okay, then you need to write it somewhere. Summer vacation. In India, summer vacation is given in the month of May and June. So you can write मिलता है. Next is Independence Day. Our independence falls on 15th of August every day. We celebrate independence on 15th of August every day. So, what we write? August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. August. Next is Republic Day. Every year India celebrates Republic on 26th January. So the month here you will write is January. 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 Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the month of October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. Next, your friend's birthday. You will write any of the month here. आप अपने फ्रेंड से उसका बर्थडे पूछकर वो मंथ डालेंगे. सपोज योर फ्रेंड्स बर्थडे ऑकर्स इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च. अगर मार्च में आता है तो यू शुड राइट MARCH. हो सकता है किसी के फ्रेंड का बर्थडे जून में आता हो, किसी का अक्टूबर में आता हो, किसी का दिसंबर में आता हो, किसी का जुलाई में आता हो. तो सेम मंथ यू हैव टू राइट हियर. नेक्स्ट इज क्रिसमस. When we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate Christmas on 25th of December. So you here you have to write December. December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Okay. In this exercise, it is omitted from your course. ये वाला नहीं करना है. Okay. Now here we have ended up this chapter. Now let us discuss what you will do in the notebook. Okay. What you have to do in the notebook. In your notebook, if you have written this, I'll start the new notebook work. In your notebook, you just have to write days of the week in one page and months of the year in another page. For today's date, what is the date today? In your classroom notebook, you have to do it. What is the date today? Today is 9th of October. CW chapter 6. Okay, you should write here ENG ing GRA dot. It is English grammar chapter 6 and you just have to write first days of the week. पहले एक पेज में days of the week लिखोगे. Days of the week. This is your homework, not classwork. Write it in your homework notebook. Days of the week. Okay. And in the next page, you will write months of the year. Months of the year. Okay. Have you understood what you have to do? Have you understood what you have to do? You have to take out your English homework notebook, put heading as, put today's date, homework, English grammar chapter 6, take out the first page and write days of the week और 7 days पूरे लिखेंगे. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then in the next page put heading as months of the year और वहाँ पर नंबर 1 से लेके 12 तक का सीरियल नंबर डाल के क्या लिखना है, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. Okay? So have you understood? You have to complete the book, page number 37 and 38, and you have to write down the days of the week and months of the year in your homework notebook. So class 1, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.